take the bow off first, baby.
He knows up.
There we go.
He's
All
like,
right.
I know up.
Very nice. Okay. There you go. Guys, I don't want this, Mom. What are you doing?
I'm a guy.
I don't need no stinking necklace. That's it.
Good job. Keep going. It's
Hold
like
on
another
it.
box.
Here, let's pull this toward the front. Then you can rip it better.
Instructions from Carrie.
Just rips off tiny pieces.
There you go. Pull it, pull it.
Right here, pull. Right there.
He's already.
Adam, right here. Are you going to give those to me? Give those to me. There we go. Thank you. Good
Pull it
job.
off. Yay! Keep pulling. Good job.
I got this.
Another box, yay!
Just tears off pieces.
Grandpa had to make that box.
No, not that one.
Oh, that one you didn't?
No, I was
that's
going to
an
say there's
Amazon
Amazon Prime tape.
The other one I made, the one for the drum I made.
No, that looked like a regular box.
No, that was one that I made.
Oh, that one's just going to slip off the top.
Well, that's easy. There we go.
Say, Grandpa, I need your help. I need your help. Say, help. Say, please help.
Help, please.
This is
You got
funny. These toys that they put all these quotes from kids in there, and they're funny. Bye, bye, bye.
Because it's got the B on
Adam.
it.
Look, what's
Very
Grandpa got?
good.
Look in the
What's
box. Open it up. What's in there?
Oh boy! What
that?
is that? How about that? Is that a doctor kit, just like I told Nana you wanted?
You should see Lily. She got a whole doctor's outfit for Christmas. She
I
got
think
the-
I saw a picture of it on
probably,
Facebook.
Yeah.
Oh,
She had the